What's good, Career Warriors? It's your boy Anthony Harris back again with another video. Of course, I've been a career executive for well over a decade where I've interviewed, hired, and trained thousands of career professionals just like yourself. Well, I'm launching a Career Blueprint Mastery course, which is an 8-module course that gives you everything you need to land your next job quicker and easier. So not only is it going to contain ATS-friendly resumes and cover letter templates, it's going to give you step-by-step guides on how to optimize your LinkedIn profile to where you actually have recruiters hitting you in your DMs instead of you having to chase them all day. And it will also contain scripts on how you can negotiate things like your salary via phone or email in order to get you that salary and benefit package that you dreamed of. Interested in that? Please click the link down below. I'm also, for the next 25 days, I'm running a promotion code with the promo code Legacy. And that's going to give you 15% off. That makes the course for a little bit over $100, which is less than a night out on the weekend. And you can also split it up into payments if you choose to. So if you're interested in that, make sure you click the link down below. And it's time for us to elevate our career legacy in 2025. If you need anything else, Career Warriors, let me know. Peace.